Hi, welcome to Xkweesit. Today we'll be making this flower clover bracelet. Before I forget, please remember to subscribe to our channel Xkweesit for more of such content. Thank you. We start with bicones 4mm milky green. Rondelles 4mm light pink. Silver seed beads 11/0. Pearls 6mm off-white. Silver beads 3mm. We'll be using the silver findings for this bracelet. We'll start off with the lobster clasps, an extension, cream caps, jam rings, as well as seed beads. We'll also be using the 0.25 nylon string to string this bracelet. First, we'll measure the nylon string. Normally, I'll be using our wrist length times 6 times. And then we'll cut the string. Put the two ends together and fold the string into half. Now we'll find the middle loop and then we'll tie it into a knot. Insert a seed bead through both lines. And then insert a cream cap. Now we'll cut off the excess string, which is the loop. And we'll fuse the knot with fire. Close the cream cap. And we'll attach a jam ring to the cream cap. First, we'll open outwards. The jam ring, we'll open it outwards. And then we'll hook it onto the holes of the cream cap. We'll then attach the extension by hooking it to the jam ring. and we'll close the jam ring. And we are now ready to start beading. Let's start beading. First off, we'll weave a 3mm silver bead, and then on each line, one bicone milky green, and then we'll weave a silver bead, a silver seed bead. We'll weave a silver seed bead, we'll put one bicone on each line again, a milky green bicone. Insert one silver seed bead on each line. Weave a 6mm pearl, as how we did for the green. We'll do the same now for the rondelle pink. We are putting one bead and one rondelle into each line. And then we'll weave a silver bead, and then we'll once more put one rondelle and one bead on each line, and then we'll weave a pearl. Now we'll repeat the sequence as we have done just now. We will start it off with the green again. Then we'll weave a bow, and then the pink rondelles. As we come to the end of our bracelet, we'll do a last weave. We'll weave in a silver bead 3mm, we'll then tie a knot after the weave. We'll then insert a cream cap through both lines. And we'll insert a seed bead through both lines. We'll then tie a triple knot. Cut off the excess strings. And we'll fuse the knot with fire. We'll then close the cream cap. And then we'll attach a jam ring to the cream cap. We'll then hook lobster crabs to the jam ring. And we'll close the jam ring. There you go. Our flower clover bracelet is done. I love the milky green, the white, and the pink. Crafting is piece made by hand, and I hope you have enjoyed this design. This is how it looks like when I wear it on my wrist. Once again, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe. Thank you.